Magandang araw mga bata! Ako si Ma'am Regine, ang teacher mo sa math. Sa video na ito ay ating bibigyang kasagutan ang katanungan ng ating mga grade 7 na mag-aaral. Paano ko nga bang sasagutan ang mga learning tasks sa module? Ito ang ating module for quarter 2 ng Mathematics grade 7. This is an SLM or self-learning module. What is a self-learning module? It is designed to provide information, activities, and new learning that the learners need to work on. As a learner, it will help you attain the prescribed grade-level knowledge, skills, attitude, and values at your own pace outside the normal classroom setting. Ano ang kaibahan ng ating module for quarter 2 mula doon sa module natin for quarter 1? Ang module na ito for quarter 2 ay yung naglalaman ng pivot assessment card for learners na matatagpuan sa page 38 na naglalaman ng personal assessment on learners' level of performance. Ito ang pivot assessment card for learners. Meron itong mga instructions at ito yung mga i-input natin na symbols dito sa mga padlang sa LP or level of performance. Discuss natin isa-isa. This is the distribution of learning tasks per week for quarter 2. Mula sa week 1, sa ilalim nito meron tayong learning task 1 to 8. LP ay yung level of performance. Ito yung mga blanks na lalagyan mo ng sagot mo na symbol. Mula week 1 hanggang week 8. Ang module for quarter 2 ng Mathematics ay naglalaman ng lessons for week 1 hanggang week 8. Pero unlike other subjects, meron lamang itong learning tasks hanggang learning task 3. Kaya naman hindi natin sasagutan yung learning tasks 4 to 8. Ang lalagyan lamang natin ng symbol for level of performance ay mula sa learning task 1 to 3 for week 1 to week 8. At sa Mathematics, magkasama iyong lesson for week 1 and 2 dahil mahaba iyong topic for measurement. Kaya iyong mga ilalagay mo rito na symbols ay ganun din ang ilalagay mo rito sa week 2. Iba-iba naman yung lessons natin for week 3 hanggang week 8. Ano-ano nga ba ang ilalagay natin na symbol dito sa LP or level of performance? Star. I was able to do or perform the task without any difficulty. The task helped me in understanding the target, content, or lesson. Ilalagay natin dito ang star sa mga patlang na ito kung na-perform natin ng maayos yung mga learning tasks na hindi nahihirapan gaano. Aside from star, we also have the check mark. I was able to do or perform the task. It was quite challenging but it still helped me in understanding the target, content, or lesson. Kung hindi star ang ating ilalagay, pwedeng checkmark. It means na nagawa mo rin iyong performance task, itong mga learning task na nandito sa ating module. However, nahirapan kang sagutan ito. At kung hindi naman star symbol or checkmark, pwedeng ang ilagay mo ay question mark. I was not able to do or perform the task. It was extremely difficult. I need additional enrichment activities to be able to do or perform this task. Kung hindi natin ilalagay ang star or checkmark dito sa mga patlang sa level of performance, pwede naman na checkmark ang ilagay natin. It means na hindi na-perform yung task kasi sobrang nahihirapan ng bata. Isa pang feature ng module natin for second quarter na wala sa quarter 1 ng Mathematics ay, ang quarter 2 ay merong answer key. Ito ay makikita natin sa page 39. Dahil ito ay self-learning module, it is expected that the learners will be learning from the module. Babasahin nila yung content and then sasagutan nila yung mga performance task. After nilang magsagot ay sila din yung mag-a-assess sa sarili nila. Sila yung mag-check ng kanilang sagot kaya merong sagot sa likod. At dahil may answer key ang module na ito for second quarter na Mathematics, ito ay nagtatanong ng how and why. So instead of just giving out the answers, you will be asked how. Paano mo nakuha yung sagot? How did you arrive with the answer? How? Show your solution. Why? Bakit ito ang sagot? Explain in 1 to 2 sentences. Kaya para sa mga videos natin kung paanong sasagutan ng learning tasks, ilalagay natin kung paanong sinasagutan ang how. We will be showing the solutions and why. Explaining the answer. those questions that do not require solution, ang gagawin natin ay i-explain natin ang sagot. This video is focusing on the Week 3 over 4A QuBe MELC-based Grade 7 Mathematics Module for Quarter 2, Lesson 3. Meron na rin tayong ginawa na video tungkol rito. Ito yung ating available na video for discussion ng Algebraic Expressions. Ang Week 3 ng ating Module for Grade 7 Mathematics Quarter 2 ay tungkol sa Algebraic Expressions na hati ito sa tatlong learning tasks. Learning Task 1 ay makikita natin sa D part or discussion. Matatagpuan ito sa page 16. Learning Task 2 naman ay nasa E part or evaluation sa page 18. At ang Learning Task 3 naman ay nasa A part or assessment sa page 18 din. Learning Task 3 naman, ito ang ating makikita. Express the following to mathematical symbol. We have 4. Number 1, Sab is X years old now. What is his age 7 years from now? Number 2, Joanne is twice as old as her sister now. What is her age 6 years ago? Number 3, a square has a side of 3x minus 2. What is the perimeter? And number 4, his income is 7x plus 6 every day. What is his total income in x days? So itong learning task 3 ay mga verbal phrase na kailangan nating i-convert into mathematical phrases. Magbibigay ako ng mga example na kahalintulad nito. Number 1, if Maria is x years old at present, how old is she 10 years from now? Number 2, if Marcus is thrice as old as Reina, how old is he 10 years ago? Number 3, what is the perimeter of a square-shaped swimming pool that measures x plus 5? And number 4, if the daily income of Maria and Marcus's father is 5y plus 7, what is his total income in y days? Ito mga given example natin na ito ay kahalintulad ng nandito sa Learning Task 3. Sagutan natin isa-isa. Kapag tayo ay magta-translate ng word problem ng verbal phrase into mathematical phrase, importante na i-analyze natin mabuti yung mga elements na nandito. So nakikita natin dito, X years old at present. Ito ay tumutukoy sa edad ni Maria presently. Kaya ilagay natin dyan yung X. Ito ay isang variable. Next, how old is she 10 years from now? 10 is a constant. Kaya kailangan din nating ilagay yung 10. And then, ano yung kanyang operation? Para malaman natin yung operation, kailangan natin siyang basahing maigi. Presently, si Maria, ang edad niya daw ay X. 10 years from now, ilang taon na kaya siya? Kaya yung edad niya ngayon na X years old ay kailangan nating dagdagan ng 10. Kaya ito na yung magiging sagot natin, x plus 10. Ito na yung ating mathematical phrase para dito sa verbal phrase na ito. After nating mag-translate from verbal phrase to mathematical phrase yung ating mga word problems, it's now time for us to answer why. Bakit nga ba natin ito naging sagot? So, pwede natin isulat ganito. X represents Maria's present age. 10 is a constant number, referring to Maria's future age. And from now refers to future tense. Pag future tense, kailangan nating magdagdag, kaya addition ito. Kapag naman past tense, kailangan nating magbawas. Number 2, if Marcus is thrice as old as Regina, how old is he 10 years ago? Isa-isahin ulit natin itong mga ito. May nakikita tayong thrice, so ito ay tungkol sa 3. As old as Regina, therefore yung edad ni Marcus ay 3 beses na mas malaki kaysa kay Regina. Ang tanong ay, ilang taon si Marcus 10 years ago? Nakikita natin yung word na thrice, kaya ilagay natin yung 3. As old as Regina, ito yung edad ni Regina, hindi sinabi kung ano, kaya maglagay lang tayo ng variable, which is any letter. This time, gagamitin ko x. And then, 10 is a constant. Ilagay natin dyan yung constant. Years ago. Itong from now is future tense, kaya nag-add tayo. Years ago is past tense, kaya kailangan nating mag-subtract. Kaya ito ang ating sagot dito sa number 2, 3x minus 10. Explain natin ba't naging ganun. Thrice tells us that Marcus's age is 3 times bigger as Regina's age. As old as Regina, ito yung represent natin ng x. It represents Regina's present age. 10 is a constant number referring to Marcus's past age. And then years ago refers to past tense. Kaya kailangan nating mag-subtract. Number 3, What is the perimeter of a square-shaped swimming pool with a side that measures x plus 5? Dito sa number 3, kitang-kita naman natin yung expression na x plus 5. So, ilagay natin dyan. Bukod dito sa visible na expression na x plus 5, nakikita rin natin dito ang ibang context clues para masagutan pa natin itong number 3, perimeter and square. Alam natin na ang perimeter, ang formula nito ay nagdedepende sa shape ng object na mini-measure. In this case, sinabi na square. Ang square ay merong 4 equal sides. Kaya naman, lagay natin dyan 4. And then from the word perimeter, alam natin na itong ating x plus 5 ay kailangan nating i-multiply dito sa 4. Itong ating sagot na 4 multiply to x plus 5 ay pwede pa nating i-simplify into 4x plus 20. 4 multiply to x is 4x. Kopyahin natin yung plus sign. 4 times 5 is 20. So, for number 3, ito yung pwede natin maging sagot. Ganito natin siya kung paano i-explain. Perimeter of a square-shaped object, in this case, swimming pool. It requires the need of the formula for square, which is P equals 4S. Itong x plus 5, ito yung kanyang side. Kaya, instead of S, pinalitan natin siya na x plus 5. Itong 4, this is a constant dahil square has 4 equal sides. P is equal to 4S. Ito ang formula ng perimeter. So, in this case, ito ay P, perimeter, is equal to 4 multiplied to x plus 5 or simply, P is equal to 4x plus 20. Aside from that, side that measures x plus 5, ito yung unang-una nating nakita. It refers to the measurement of a single side of a square. Ito yung nandito nga sa loob. Number 4, if the daily income of Maria and Marcos's father is 5y plus 7, what is his total income in y days? Dito sa number 4, nakikita natin ang expression na 5y plus 7, which is the daily income. Kaya ilagay natin 5y plus 7. Then, y days, ito yung variable. Ang tanong dito ay the total income in y days. Therefore, itong 5y plus 7, kailangan natin i-multiply kay y. Since kailangan natin i-multiply, kailangan natin i-enclose yung 5y plus 7 inside the parentheses para ma-emphasize natin na kailangan muna tayong mag-add tsaka tayo mag-multiply following the Gemdas rule. Tulad nitong number 3, pwede pa natin i-simplify itong y multiplied to 5y plus 7 magiging 5y squared plus 7y. 5y squared kasi y multiplied to 5y. 5, isulat lang natin yung 5, and then y, dalawang y, kaya y squared. Ito yung pwedeng explanation natin ng sagot. 5y plus 7 refers to the daily income, and then y days refers to the number of days to be multiplied by the daily income. Kaya naman ganito nating sasagutan ng learning task 3. First, we have to translate the verbal phrases into mathematical phrases, and then explain why, bakit naging ganun ang ating sagot. And that's it for our video for today mga bata. Hangad ko na natutunan nyo kung paano nga bang sasagutan ang mga learning tasks sa Module 4, Quarter 2. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and Teacher Mo sa Math for more Grade 7 Mathematics content. Also, like and share this video para mas marami pa akong mga batang Grade 7 na tulad mo ang maabot at maturuan dahil ako si Ma'am Regine, ang Teacher Mo sa Math.